Hello, beauties. Good morning, my loves. I just borrowed Lily Pop's intro. Lily, please. I hope you are not offended. You can't be offended. I know you would even love it, right? I just love that her intro. Hello, beauties. And then she will say, beauties. So I'm just gonna start this vlog in her thick voice. Hey, Lily Pope, you are just a case study. Oh my goodness. Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. So it's another beautiful morning and I'm just starting this vlog. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen. I just made breakfast for my kids now. Joshua, Caleb and Blessing are awake, but Favor is still sleeping. As I was making the breakfast, I noticed that Joshua was already awake, so I added his stomach to the breakfast. That's why he's somewhere here. He just finished having his breakfast and he's washing his cup. And Caleb is still here. So I was just having a conversation with Joshua and Caleb, and I asked Caleb, I was like, no, first of all, what started or what prompted the question was, after I was done, I was like, Mommy is tired. I was telling Joshua and Caleb that Mommy is tired. And then I was like, Caleb, what are you going to buy for me when you grow up and have money or make money? And he was like, I'm going to buy you new dresses. I was like, wow, that's so good, that's so thoughtful of you. And then again he said, I will also cook Quaker oats for you. When he said I will cook Quaker oats for you, I already understood his point that he's going to be cooking for me basically. So, and then I asked Joshua, what are you going to buy for me when you grow up and make money? And Joshua said that he's going to buy a robot for me. And you guys know what that means. Since I said I'm tired, he's going to buy a robot for me so that the robot will be cooking, washing, cleaning and doing stuff for me. So I was like, wow, that's so thoughtful of you guys. Bravi ragazzi, thank you. I appreciate your thoughtful thoughts. Anyways, guys, I'm just going to, I don't really have much to do today, but I also want to film a recipe video which will be coming up soon. And yeah, that's pretty much what I have to do for today, since the kids are not going to school. I don't have any much school runs to do. If not for Caleb that is still going to school, I wouldn't have been awake by now. But since he's still going to school until the end of this month, I still have to wake up early in the morning to get him ready for school. Miss Blessing, I did not ask you to wash plates for me. When you grow up now, if I ask you to wash the plates, you tell me, Mommy, I'm tired. So guys, yeah, I hope you guys are doing well and I hope you are shining. I hope you are still bouncing in the Lord, because I am bouncing in the Almighty God. Okay, my boy. Guys, I just hit my hand here. It's so painful. It's so painful. My goodness. Okay, so I also want to go and write a list for my hubby, because we've run out of some things in the house. So I want to write a list for him, so that as soon as he drops Caleb, because he's going to be taking Caleb downstairs to put him in his school bus. Then from there he will go to the supermarket to get some of the things that we are lacking in the house, especially their cocoa powder. Yeah, that one is more important because they love their chocolate tea. So without that, they can't be drinking only milk. They don't like drinking only milk. So yeah, that and some other stuff. Guys, this is what I'm having for breakfast. Fufu and egusi soup. I love my swallow. Come and join me. Yummy. Oh my goodness, like I can't get enough of this soup. I don't usually like my soup very thick and almost dry like this, but this particular egusi soup, I'm enjoying it. Guys, hubby is back with the groceries and Joshua is taking them away. Meanwhile, I have some over here. Go and keep the bread. And he just left now with Favour because Favour has an appointment with her doctor. So I want to quickly make jollof rice. I'm no more filming the recipe today. You know, I told you guys I was going to film a recipe, but I changed my mind. So I want to make coconut jollof rice, just a quick one so that we can have it for lunch. And he bought watermelon. Guys, I love watermelon so much. Like, I'm always looking forward to the season. I'm always looking forward to this season. I love it. Who else loves watermelon as much as I do? Like, I don't joke with this, especially when it is cold. Not too cold though, but when it is out from, just coming out from the fridge, yummy. And especially when it is sweet as well. Don't forget, sweet. Hey, I love my watermelon. I also asked him to buy pineapple. I'm not seeing pineapple here. Oh, Jehovah. Even though I wrote list for my husband, I'm not seeing pineapple here. I'm not seeing pineapple here. I've just added the coconut milk now. That's why it's looking white. So I'm going to allow it to boil and then I'll add my rice. Guys, my food is ready. It doesn't even take time at all. Mama, say hi. Hi. Where are you going to?
To Caleb's bus.
To Caleb's bus. You say, I'm going to pick Caleb.
And I'm going to pick Caleb.
Brava. My cutie pie. My kitty baby. Yeah, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Don't run, no, please, before you fall. Ciao. Ciao, ciao. Come stai? You people and your schoolwork. School works everywhere in my house. every corner of my house is filled with schoolwork.
Mommy.
No, let me help you and carry it.
But I'll hold it. I can hold it.
You want to hold it? Okay.
Mommy.
Blessing, wait now. You didn't wait. You didn't even look.
Last week, I have something. I have this one. Last week is not a caramella.
No. This is what I don't want. Every time two of you are arguing. I'm not ready for your argument this afternoon. Please. Big Kono. Every time both of them are arguing. This one will say, yes, it is. The other one will say, no, it's not. This one will say, yes, it is. The other person, no, it's not. Every single day in my house. Like, how dare you, man? Listen, don't run, no, please. Nah, the cocoa can down, manato. Guys, my food is ready. This is my portion and you all are invited. Today we are not eating it with any meat. Not everyday meat, I beg. I just finished eating now and I feel so good. You can see the way I'm sweating. Oh gosh. I know I told you guys that I was going to film a recipe today, but it ended up not happening. But at the same time, I used that opportunity to film a sit-down video which I have posted on my Facebook page. I recorded the video, edited it, and uploaded it same today. So at least I've not been lazying around. I was, very much useful to myself or for myself. So if you want to know what the video is all about, you can go to my Facebook page and check out the video and follow my page as well. Please, I'm trying to grow that page, so please go and support me over there. And with that, I'm going to be ending this video here. I know I didn't gather much clips, but just manage it like that. Every day is not glittering, sparkling, fancy, entertaining, beautiful content. Some days we give you guys boring content, okay? So whichever one it is, you just have to manage it that way. Anyways, nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know, but I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you all in my next vlog or my next video, as the case may be. Stay blessed and take care of yourself. Have a lovely day. Bye, guys. Let me rest. After resting, I'll start editing this video. Or should I start editing it? I don't know. Bye.